Alright guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. The G35 is complete, fully manual and drivable. I'm gonna walk around in a sec, but I'm gonna put on some spacers on the rear real quick. Right now I'm currently removing the tree sap on my car. Update on the car, I got a ISR exhaust and traded my Varstones for some raised wheels. That's about it. But on this car, I did put the stock exhaust back on. Stock muffler, mid pipe, but it has test pipes. Sounds pretty okay. I did remove the straight pipe because it was getting a little obnoxious. But yeah. Alright, I'm about to start her up. Had the door open for a little bit just to air it out. I'm going to go and take out some of the trash that's in the trunk. So let me show you their startup real quick. There is no parking cable yet, so it's chalked up right now. I didn't have it, but I'll do that probably later. Maybe fix that exhaust leak. But I like it like this way better than it was when it was straight piped. Here she is. Just doing a quick little walk around. Alright, I just stopped by AutoZone, got some codes ran, and most of them are just my all 402 sensors apparently are all codes are throwing. And I also have a heater control and my output shaft sensor, and that's about it.